Hey everybody, I am live here at 1233 Alder Drive, and kind of a last minute thing, just helping out a friend. So this is a 1960s home that's been very tastefully updated, super cute, at 1233 Alder Drive here. See the neighborhood, it's brick homes. It's very nice. So go inside and check it out. So when you first walk in, you come into the living area, the main living room. So this is where you'd like entertain guests. There's a fireplace over here, like a real wood fireplace. So cool. Lots of space. Kitchen there. Lots of space. We're gonna go down the hall. I love the light colored floors. There is a closet here for stuff, storage. There's a half bath here for guests. I love that painting, is cute. Your little laundry room goes right out to the backyard. Blech. There's your kitchen, we'll come back to that. Here's your master. It's a good space. Closet. I like the built-ins. Fun light. Go back around. That faces the front of the house. Here's the bathroom. So this is a full bath, double vanity, kind of neat. This faces the back of the home. All right, another bedroom. Spacious, built-ins. I like in these older homes too how they have the built-ins at the end of the hall. It's kind of common. This faces the back of the home. That one was the front. So back down the hall, and we'll take off here into the laundry area and then into the kitchen. It's a nice spacious kitchen. It looks like quartz countertops. Cute. This would be your dining area. But they have actually moved their dining into this flex space, which I assume was a garage. Step down a couple steps and they've redid this area, which is so nice to have. There's a fireplace in here. I don't know if this was a garage, because why would there be a fireplace in the garage? I don't know, but it's a cool little space down here to relax with family, hang out. They have an extra refrigerator over here. And then there's a downstairs. So let's go check that out. So it's a single with below grade family room. This is a large space. There's another bedroom down here, which is cool. There's your utility, I guess, room with your HVAC and all that stuff. Could easily put, you know, a macrame there, like she has macrame all over, or a curtain or something. There's a bar area with a drink, like a drink bar. Look at all the drinks. How cool is that? This is a great movie night room. And then we'll go back up and check out the backyard. The stairs are a little bit steep, but I'm also not 20 anymore, so we'll go out here to the backyard. Nice and quiet. Lots of space. Cozy, cozy. And there's no one behind you. Looks like a business on that side and then a neighbor on that side. So not a lot going on around you. Super cute house. So this is 1233 Alder in Twin Falls. It is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Come check it out.